Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert Excel file hyperlink in Outlook. Now what I do is first you come here, you click on new email, then just come here, click on this icon, okay, to insert a file. So you can insert using OneDrive or you can even insert a link here, okay? And the way I link my Excel file, you go to your OneDrive or you go to your Google Drive, and then you just go ahead and click on these three dots for more actions, hover over share, and click on share, but just make sure that your access is to anyone with the link, okay? And then you copy that link so that they get access, and then you come here, you paste in the URL, and where it says display as, you can change this to Excel file, or anything you want it to display as, and then hit OK. And there you go. We have a Excel file hyperlink. So if someone comes here, they're able to click on it. Let me show you an example. Let me send the email. Here we go. We're sending this one over. So it should be right here under sent, right? So if I click on this and click on this hyperlink for Excel file, it will open up the Excel. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.